This year, as opposed to last year, we are doing just three categories. That is the African influence, the creative freestyle, and the African devotional. Whereas we did four categories last year. Well, we had auditioned or did four categories in the preliminary round of the Best Village competition. We did the African devotional, African influence, soca, and limbo. Last year, in the finals, we walked away with the national title of the limbo category, placed second in the African influence, and we placed fifth in the soca dance. We did not, advance to the finals for the African devotional category. That's a very unfortunate. That which was very unfortunate, but we don't let anything keep us down for too long. We always work towards being our best and giving our best. So we didn't let it pull us down too long. I see it as both an advantage and a disadvantage. And I say that because it's an advantage because we have more time to prepare. We're in our home grounds, because it's always good to perform for your people. Performing in Tobago, once we're here, we always kind of go harder than we do when we go down to the national stage. That is in Trinidad.